Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your own perfect suya spice at home. Okay guys, this suya spice is the main like, let me just say, the malam recipe. Okay, I'm going to be sharing the secret with you. So if today is the first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted. Okay guys, don't mind me, I'm trying to be creative. Okay, can you see this? Oh my goodness. So guys, sit back, relax, let me introduce my ingredients. So in this recipe we'll be using kuli. Guys, this kuli is very crunchy, but I still decided to spread it on the sun so that when I'm blending it, it will not be sticky. Okay, I will be using uda. So this uda, I'm going to just use paper towel, dried one, to clean the body in case of any sand, because we don't need sand in this recipe. Okay, then after that I'm going to break it into pieces. These are ginger powder. If you have the dried ginger, the flesh, how would I say it, like the one you can blend yourself, you can go ahead and use that. We have some pepper flakes, and we have one beef cube, like the small one, and half teaspoon of salt. So though I have broken the kuli into pieces, but when I was trying to blend it this way, like the noise it was making, I don't want my blender to get spoiled, so I decided to use my mortar. Like, I don't have big mortar here, those smaller ones you can use to pound your pepper, so I use it to crush it more. So I have a bowl which I'll be using to mix the spices, then with my coffee blender, okay, and the hand mixer. Can you see the kuli? I use my mortar to match it to this consistency so that it will enable me to blend it very well. So now I started blending it. Can you see? It's not sticky together. You know, kuli is made from groundnut, so it was dried when I bought it, though it was very crunchy, but I decided to dry it. You understand? I decided to dry it so that when I'm blending it, it will come out like separately, it won't stick together. So this is the batch which I've blended before. So I have to mix it very well with the ginger paste, because I didn't bother to blend the ginger paste again. So after mixing it very well, I'm going to sieve it. Make sure to sieve it, okay? It's very important. So you are going to see the end result. So if you don't sieve it, what I'll be showing you at the end will be the result of your suya spice, and we don't want that. So make sure to sieve it when you are done blending, okay? Check out the description for the measurement of the recipe, okay? I'll be listing everything in the description of this video. Can you see? Imagine if I didn't save it. So make sure to save it because we don't want that. Though I didn't throw that away, I still blended that one, then save it again just like that. But I did take you guys through that process. So I'm going to transfer this into an airtight container. Make sure to store it in an airtight container, okay? We don't want any air to enter inside. So these are SUYA spices. Like guys, the aroma coming out from these spices, you can't tell me nothing. Like, I was just feeling like making suya instantly, exactly like, you know, the normal suya spice which the mala use for their suya. When you go to buy a suya, the scent, everything, that was the aroma I was perceiving in my kitchen. Like, everywhere was smelling so nice. The taste of these spices was good, exactly the taste you get from your mala suya. Everything, guys, make sure to try this recipe, okay? You think that making suya recipe is very difficult. No, it's not difficult, okay? Like I said, make sure your kuli is very dried and crunchy, okay? Can you see this? It's not sticky. So thank you so much, guys. Can you see the way I was so happy after making this suya spice, guys? You won't believe it. So I want you to be happy the way I was happy the day I made this. So make sure, I'm challenging you to make this recipe, okay? Go and buy these ingredients, make this recipe. Even if you don't need it, just make it. Just make this recipe. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.